Hello, my name is Tiana, and today I'm going to show you how to add a lookbook section to your Shopify store. A lookbook section allows for a visual shopping experience for the customers. Go to the Shopify App Store and download the Spot Layer app. You can then open this app through your Shopify admin. The next step you would take is to click on Create Image and then choose the image that you would like to use for your first lookbook section. So once the image has been uploaded successfully, you can click on one of the products in the image to create your first hotspot. A model will appear afterwards, allowing you to choose between adding a Shopify product or a custom content to that hotspot. To add custom content, then, you would click on the area you'd like to highlight and then choose Custom in the model itself. From here, you can add a title, a description, an image, or a link to your hotspot. If your store has multiple languages, you can easily translate your content by clicking on the Translation button. The background image can be different for each language. Hotspots linked to the Shopify products will automatically show the translated content related to that product. When your lookbook section is ready, then you can click the Embed button and copy the image ID. Then you can choose the image where you want to embed it from the drop-down and click Open Theme Editor. This will in turn place the section on the selected page. Then you need to paste the image ID you just copied into the image ID field, and your image should appear in the section. In this specific block, we can also define the content displayed next to our image. There are various settings available, such as the order of the content and image, colors, and text sizes. For demonstration purposes, we will also add the full-width Shop the Look section to our homepage. This can be easily done by adding a new app block and choosing the hotspot image block this time. The flow is the same, simply place the image ID and then you're done. And that's it. We have successfully added a shoppable Shop the Look section to our Shopify store. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.